we're here at the Bartlett Arboretum in Stamford, Connecticut. It's a over 100-year-old arboretum, 200-acre piece of land with specimen trees, and they have 9 employees working the fields, working the grounds. And we came and did a project for 3 hours, helping them weed, clear paths, all the things that need to happen, particularly in the fall. The team just did an amazing job as part of our Go Green initiative. Tom, you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yes, we have the Go Green initiative, and we also have just generally our community service, and we give people time off during the course of the year to do community service. This one we did it as a group, and we have a more beautiful place because of it. They really appreciated it. So.
And we were very lucky with a spectacular day. So Go Green, so happy to be able to participate. That great culture building opportunity for the Stamford office and for ISG.
The Bartlett Arboretum is such a staple here in Stamford for their gardens and their grounds, and they have local universities do lots of studies, and I thought it was great that ISG could come in and do all the grounds maintenance. It was great team building. It was great mental health for people. Everyone got out there and really enjoyed the work. So I think we'll definitely do it again next year.
Yes. Yankees on 3.